All right, so what do we have going on here today? Um, Allegedly, in this box is a brand new payphone from the 80s that is new in box. Bought this on eBay. This is a payphone that was not operated by the telephone companies. It was one for private, not private use, but like private business use. So this is something you may have seen in a hotel, maybe like a rental car agency, convenience store, something like that. So this was meant to be operated by the property owner. These are electronic inside. They have a chip that'll monitor the coinage and times and whatnot. And supposedly this can use a standard landline. So I'm pretty excited because, oh no, I just have to find a landline and maybe I can get this thing to actually work. So let's see here. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited. Kind of excited about this. I very seldom get something that is super old and in the box still. That's a pretty rare event in life, I have found. Okay, well, so far so good. This seems kind of legit. All right, let me get this out of the way and have a better look at it here. Okay, so on here it says international communications from Neenah, Wisconsin to Mr. Cliff Hensley in Richmond, Kentucky. So I got your phone, Cliff, I guess. And yeah, this kind of looks new in box-ish. Yeah, this does not look like it's been tampered with. Wow. Could it really be the case that this is a new antique in box? Well, yeah, this looks for real. That looks like a genuine old box. Okay. We love old box, right? Yeah, oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. All right, that did not go according to plan. All right, so in here is a adapter, an OEM AC adapter made in Taiwan. Okay. Here is the phone. Now again, this is meant to be owned by businesses. It's not one that the phone company would lease or operate. This was meant to be purchased. Check that out. Look at that paper clip. Check that out. Old rusted paper clip. All right, I'm convinced this is the real deal. The real deal old crap. All right, so this is made by International Communications in Neenah, Wisconsin. If anybody's ever heard of this, I've never heard of this company. I gotta look into it. Here's the like product registration card, I guess. So that's pretty fantastic. Owner's registration. some stickers, I guess. Okay. We'll just set that off to the side here. That's kind of cool. And here is the phone. This is similar to another phone that I own. I think they look a little strange compared to the ones ran by the telephone companies, but you know, whatever. Okay, it's got a keyed or pinned, it looks like this is kind of pinned or threaded into place. There's a piece of wrapping. Okay, that's a little bubble wrap. But yeah, that's kind of interesting. What do you think? Was it worth a $100 bill? I think it was. And there's the original keys. Yeah. See, the other phone I have didn't have any markings on it, but this doesn't have any markings either. Well, no, it does. It says international communications. And there we go. That's your coin box right there. And I guess you can put whatever you want up here, like a sticker. Anyway, I just thought you may enjoy watching me unbox that. I get a tremendous kick out of stuff like this. So anyway, I will definitely look into this and see maybe how long they were made, where they were used, owner's manual. But yeah, I mean, this is long before the internet, right? So I'm guessing this is kind of early to mid 80s, just based on what I see here. There's no really digital anything. So yeah, it's a little on the light duty side. You know, it's not the heaviest case, but who cares? Interesting find. Anyway, thanks for watching.